Hi kids, so let me just explain to you how your output should look like and how you are going to answer the questions for your laboratory activity. So basically all of the instructions have been written in the naanan dito sa inyong link nakatong nasa file na mismo. Wala na ako nagbutang og kanang separate pa. And what is placed in your tab sa inyong kung asa pod mo mag-upload is just the general instructions na lang pod. So bale, as written in the instruction, you need to place a title page. So this will be our title page. So, syempre kani siya na dummy ninyo na file. Gibutang na nako ni siya dito sa inyuha pong canvas. So, pwede na kato inyuhang i-download and dito na mo mag-edit kay para at least na dayon mo guide. You do not need to make a new one. So, dire-diretso na lang dayon mo place og answers. So this is how your laboratory activity number 13 output should look like. So syempre kani as is na laboratory activity number 13 and parametric test. Then for this one, this is where you are going to place your set. Now, for the title page, also as written in the instruction, pwede gyud kay ninyo ni siya i-modify in terms of the font size rather in terms of the font size and kung na ba mo'y gusto idagdag like for example logo ba sa SPC sa medtech nga na walay problema basta as long as naaning backbone. Then next, you place the name of your members here. Ah, bale dili necessary na nakaseparate si leader ha. What I want you to do is to alphabetically arrange the names of the members. Of course, family name first magyud ta ana, then una ang male and then females. Now, ang inyuhan na lang buhaton, so for example, ang inyuhang member number 5 mo, to inyong leader, dara lang ninyo dungaga namely, so kana, namely, so as per example, naata dito tulo, katong tulo ka hospitals, wherein we want to know if there is a difference of the number of infections. So that is actually in terms of this hypothesis na. So once you are done, next question ta, state the hypothesis. Now, all you need to place here is the null hypothesis. No need na for the alternative kay sa atua null hypothesis naman yun ang ato ang ginagamit. So as you can see here is what I have written. The null hypothesis is there is no difference between the number of infections for each hospital. And then for the next one, show how data was placed in the Excel. What I did here is I print screen my laptop. Dili ko gusto na mag-create mo og table. Kay ang akong gusto na makita mismo diri sa letter C ninyo is kung unsa exactly ang pagkabutang ninyo sa inyong Excel. Though you will be submitting your Excel file also, pero syempre that is for the purpose of double checking na mas gwapo man gyud ang nanan at tanan dara sa inyong output, makita na dayon namo for easy checking na pod. If in case wala mo print screen na option or screenshot na option, you can actually make use of the screen snip. I guess naman po jud na siya. So actually pwede lang po na ninyo siya i-search. I do hope na naa na siya na function sa inyong laptop or PC. Screen snip ang name. And then, dapat nga niya mo gawas. So the next is to show the results with the p-value box in red. So again, balik ko na ako. Do not forget to box your p-value in red just like what I did here. Now, uh, if gitry na ninyo na uh, mag-use sa Megastatic sa inyong Excel, then makabalo mo na once you input your data and you try to run your test, mugawas ang inyong result sa separate na sheet and it is named output. Makita man na ninyo diri sa baba na anay mugawas na output ang name so dara na i-compile tanan ni Excel ang inyong results. Pwede mo mag-screen share pero make sure na i-crop ninyo siya na tanging kanilang yung result na makita para klaro kayo. Kaya syempre kung mag-screen share mo, ingani mong gud siya kagamay. So para again maklaro gyud siya, then syempre, 'di ba? Dapat maparaan pud ta. So crop lang ninyo na ang mabilin lang yun is kaning inyuhang result. And then again, box in red your p-value. So now we have our result. Last thing that you need to do is to make a decision and give a conclusion. Now, when we talk about making a decision, this is all about whether we reject or not your null hypothesis. And then give a conclusion. So once you already decided to reject or not, then of course, murag muhatag na dayon ta og kanang unsa ba gyud ning result sa atoang problem. So as you can see here, 'di ba, our p-value is 0.0690 and 'di ba, by the rule if it is less than 0.05 then reject, if it is greater than then do not reject. So that is why here ingani ako ang pagka-place sa akong decision since the p-value is greater than 0.05 then we will not reject the null hypothesis. So this will be ang conclusion nako na part. So therefore, 'di ba, going back to your null hypothesis, so therefore there is really or there is no difference dapat nawala na. There is no difference sa totong null. There is no difference between the number of infections for each hospital. Period. So yung nga na lang yun siya, as in brief and concise. Dili ninyo kailangan dili necessary na i-highlight ninyo og yellow ang decision. Kani siya gi-highlight lang nako na siya og yellow to put emphasis. And then dire-diretso na dayon mo sa next problem number 2 and then answered by and then dire-diretso na. If ever na pa may mga questions pa, feel free to post dito sa forum for our lab activity. And I do hope klaro ako ang pagka-instruct on how your output should look like. So, kana lang man kids. Thank you and have a nice day po.